Okay, we're going to go to studio.x.com. We want to be logged in as whatever account we're going to be streaming the game from, so probably Elon Musk. Then we're going to go to the producer tab here, right here. And then the first thing we need to do is go to the sources tab here. So there's broadcast, and then there are sources, and then we need to create a source. So creating a source, doesn't matter what we call it, we'll call it Speedrun 4. Okay. And then we'll select a region. Select the region that is closest to where you are. Right now we're in Northern California. Create that. Great, so the source is created. We have to copy the stream key. So I'm control copying, control C that. Now we're done. And we can go into OBS. I have OBS open here, but you can find it. It's the OBS application. We've installed it. And we've set it up so that it's going to capture any full screen application. There is a webcam on. You got to open the webcam door on your laptop to enable that, and then you can put this wherever you want it just by clicking and dragging. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, and we have it set up to stream at 6 megabits a second. The video is 1080p. We've set that up here, the output scale resolution. But now we need to go to the stream tab there, and we need to enter in that stream key that we copied. Doing that. And the service is Twitter, and the server is US West California. Great. Okay. And next we'll start the stream. And then finally, we're ready to go. We're streaming. Oh, we have to go back here. The video is going to Twitter now, or X. And we need to create a broadcast. That's up in the right corner here on the broadcast tab. So we were here on sources. We went back to broadcast. Now we're going to create a broadcast. Okay. Call the broadcast whatever we want. Maybe game stream. How would you describe the broadcast? Maybe it's esports. Then we have to select that source that we selected. It's number 4. Great. Pretty soon, after 10 seconds, we'll see the media start loading here. There it is. And there's no full screen application now, so that's black, and that's okay, because when we start Diablo, it'll show up there. We're going to create the broadcast.
No, not yet.
Okay, that's the next step. Create the broadcast down here. It's created. Now, for people to actually watch it, you're going to need to tweet. So you go back up to the top and you tweet. And you can say, join me. Join my Diablo stream. And we tweet it. And then we play Diablo. One thing we've done in Diablo is we've turned off HDR in the settings, because that's going to make colors look washed out in OBS, which does not handle HDR. Okay, so that's streaming. And now we'll go over to a client. This is just x.com. I'll look at see mouse playing is the account, and there's the stream. So it's playing. And the stream is going to be 10 or 15 seconds late from what you're watching on the game. But there it is. It's playing. And that's it.
Yep.